right, so hello, boys and girls. There is a snake.
Hi, boys and girls. Thanks, Mom.
You just got a snake.
My mom bought me a snake. Where were you? Where did you buy the snake?
At the same store I bought Jurassic World.
Do you mean
Battle Damage Pteranodon.
Do you mean at the same store where when you buy the other snake?
Yes, the same one where we got the other snake. And we're gonna be unboxing Pteranodon.
Damn it, that thing!
So
I know how to do the battle damage. It's like there's like this thing and then I think you open it. Let's see if I turn on the back. Oh yeah, you swipe it.
alright, can we unbox it before you play with it?
Yes.
So
And I love the black and yellow snake.
you wanna get the scissors?
I'll open it.
This is activate battle damage. And here are the other ones to collect. It's Triceratops, Techmoloch, Velociraptor Blue, and Velociraptor. And he is scannable.
Wait. Can I see that Velociraptor? Oh,
Let's unbox it.
Mom, you forgot Triceratops.
I did say Triceratops.
I'm gonna do
Then
it.
do it. You need to cut it, not pull it.
The swing's free. I can fly!
All right, so here it is. Let's see.
I'm trying to
Hold on.
swipe it.
Oh, he has a hole in his wings. Look at that. Oh, pretty cool. Let's see his mouth. It opens and closes. Does his neck move?
Which neck? His
Neck.
Look, I can
360.
I can also turn it.
You need to
upside
bring
down.
it closer to the camera.
I can also turn it upside down.
That's crazy.
Mom,
And I think it moves up and down, doesn't it?
the wings do.
Let's see.
And Mom, the legs also move. And by the way, I think you forgot this, Mom.
Okay, so now.
I know who this Velociraptor is.
All right, and then the wings move. Okay, it moves forward and back. Okay.
Can I
And the
tell you?
legs.
Can I please tell
The
you?
legs also move. Okay, pretty cool.
Can I tell you who this is?
And there is the scanner, the DNA scanner. All right, very cool. Another battle damage.
And
Jurassic World.
And hey, boys and girls, my mom didn't know the name of this one. I know who it is. It's not Charlie. It's not Echo. Delta.
Delta has black spots. Is that black spots?
Oh yeah, it's Charlie because he has stripes.
Or maybe it's Echo. Let me see. That looks like Delta. Yep, that looks like that. And that's blue for sure. All right, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.